What's going on, mother truckers? So this is crazy what this company is doing. Tell me what you think about this. Basically, a Canadian company called Fuel Transport is bribing their truck drivers to get fully vaccinated. If you didn't know, I made a news article about it a couple weeks ago saying that the Biden administration now wants everyone from Canada, if they're coming over here and they're trucking over here, they have to be fully vaccinated. So what does this Canadian trucking company do? They basically say, if you get vaccinated before January 15th, we will pay you a bonus of $7,500. So here's my question to you. Is there a number in your head that you would be okay with taking this shot? I mean, I know I'm just having fun with this, but I think it's so crazy that they're pressuring truck drivers by bribing them with money, right? And so now they went from like a 50-60% of their truck drivers being vaccinated to 100% because they're all just trying to get this green. So, mother truckers, what's the price to take the shot? That's all I got to ask. What's the price? Because this Canadian company is doing it and they're promoting other companies to do the same. And all I have to say is, man, this is crazy times. I would never think this day would come, but definitely crazy times.